So this is the third massager. This one works on power, and this is also a good massager. It can be used pretty much anywhere, in the back, in the legs, hands, shoulder, neck, and easy to use. And it's called, here's the name, Jeanie Jeanie massager. So I'll put link description for this one too, where you can find it. This is made of lightweight aluminum. Here's the switch, on, off. Some of them, they have like speed, variable speed, where you can adjust it, the speed. This one does not. It works on 120 volt AC power. So as you see, as soon as I turn on, okay, this also, the good thing about this is removable. So you can, if this one get dirty or something, you can remove it and clean it. This is just inside, this is a leather, and inside it's like a foam or something, very flexible. And here is the sticker information, if you can see. Okay, and so the good thing about this machine, as I said, it can be used for all parts of your body. Just one thing, warning, like be very cautious, very careful when you use this on the hair. You see this, when I spin it, you can see the fan inside. So the hair, especially for women, girls, they use this, the hair gets stuck here, very trouble. So be careful. Do not get close to the long hair. It might get stuck here, and while this machine is on, it will be twisted, and it will be too late to, it'll basically pull all the hair out of your head. So be careful when you use this. Do not get close to the long hair. It can be easy get sucked up here, and will be big problem, disaster. So other than that, it's safe, easy to use, and I'll show you how to use this. So works perfect, just like that. You can press hard or leave it as the weight. It's weight. See? It can be used on the neck, hands, or even legs, like that. See? Pretty much everywhere. It works fantastic on the back too, as you see. See that? So very easy to use, it's not very loud, very low noise, very comfortable. Just be careful, do not get close to the long hair. It can be sucked up here, very, very terrible. So that's the only issue with this machine. Other than that, it works fantastic. See? Very comfortable. Do you feel comfortable? And I wish if there is some kind of those machine, they have adjustable dial, so you can adjust the speed, but this one does not. And so yeah, that's the Jeanie massager.